this is Noreen from Joy Cards, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yay! For more of my Stampin' Up! Videos, please click the subscribe button and the little bell, and you'll be notified when my videos release. Anyway, I'm doing another video on what's up with Stampin' Up! For November 2023, because just the other day, mid-November, mind you, Stampin' Up! Announced a few more things. So let me go over these three things that I thought was very important to tell you right away and make an addition to my video. They are having a seasonal sale. That is November 15th through the 18th. And it's discounts from the annual catalog. So what they are giving you is 10% off punches. And, you know, it's a pretty big list of punches, and it is on select ones. So if you haven't gotten something, this is the time to get it. So 10% off punches, 15% off stamps. And look at the list of stamps. I mean, it's crazy. 20% off dies. So there's dies. 20% off embossing folders, and 20% off DS paper. So I will put the link in the video description. How you get to the video description is right next to the description of the video. There's either a show more or a little arrow or something. Click on that and it should bring everything else up. Now, it might even say more, and then you click on then it shows. Anyway, there's a link there and it'll show you everything that's in the sale thing. So that's number one. The second thing is, I know what Paper Pumpkin is for the month of December, and it's called Good Things Come in Small Packages. And what it is gift card holders. So you get 16 gift card holders, so little boxes. There are two design, 8 each, or two each of 8 designs, so reverse that. Anyway, and it's all occasion. It's a garden green Stampin' Spot. So garden green, that's a good color. And it's double-sided paper pieces and boxes. You can mix and match. So that's the new Paper Pumpkin. It looks like that. The third thing is there's a new card kit, and it's called Timeless Greetings. And I'll put a link in the description of my video, like where everything else is. And you can click on it. And it looks like that one we had, that one Stampin' die set we had last year, the year before. I don't know, time's going so quick, right? And it looks really cool. So they have that world thing there, and then they have this watch. So this is something to look at. So I'll put the link in the video, but this is just a short video showing the 3 things that they pounced on me mid-month after I'd already done my What's Up with Stampin' Up! Video, but this was important enough to just add on and throw into my videos for the week. So anyway, that'll do it for me.